Okay, welcome them on stage. 22 to 26 years old, your first group. Ladies, as you make your way on stage, make sure the judges can see your numbers and give yourself plenty of space. All right, everyone move on down stage just a little. There we go.
Use the entirety of the stage. Judges, you ready? Nice job, ladies. Make sure they can see your numbers. Judges are satisfied? Judges satisfied. Thank you, ladies. Please exit to your left.